So objective number 7, we've actually kind of covered this already in some of the earlier objectives. It says know how to use a molecular formula to calculate the molar mass of a compound. So the molar mass of an element is how much 1 mole of it weighs, but the molar mass of a compound is how much all the stuff in it weighs. So find the molar mass of aluminum thiosulfate. So first of all, I need to know the formula. Aluminum tends to lose its 3 electrons. Thiosulfate is S2O3 with a -2 charge to it. So that means if aluminum's giving up 3, but thiosulfate can only take 2, I'm going to end up with Al2 S2O3 3 is going to be my correct formula. So how much does this stuff weigh? Well, I have 2 moles of aluminum, and each mole weighs 26.98 grams. Plus I have 3 times 2, I have 6 sulfur that each weigh 32.07 grams. And I have 9 oxygen weighing 16 grams. So how much does 1 mole of aluminum thiosulfate or thiosulfate weigh? A bunch. 2 times 26.98. By the way, a bunch won't get you any points, so make sure you do the math on this. 6 times 32.07 plus 9 times 16. This is 390.38 grams. And if I stick with my rule of the 4 sig figs there, I could just round this to 390.4. My label's important here. It's not just grams. It's labeled as grams per mole because this lets us know we're talking about exactly 1 mole of this stuff. If I see a label of just grams, that just happens to be how much my sample is. And my sample might be more than 1 mole. It might be less than 1 mole. But when I know I'm talking about exactly 1 mole or the molar mass, then I use grams per mole so everybody knows that's what we're dealing with.